Right, so you're out looking for a little car, and you find it online. You go to the garage. So you'd expect buying a car from a garage to be of a certain quality, wouldn't you, compared to buying it from somebody's driveway. Well, not in this case, because this 17 plate C1, the Citroen C1, is one of the filthiest cars I think I've ever seen that's been sold by a car trader. It not only is it filthy, it absolutely stinks of dogs. Okay, it's just in a really poor condition. I don't think this car has actually been valeted at all, because if it had been, things like all the door shuts and that are filthy. This would all be clean, and this would all be clean, and there wouldn't be dog hairs in the carpets and the seat and everything. You know, it's just dreadful. And these people, these traders are getting away with this. And you know something, folks? One of the worst offenders are these internet car buying sites. You know, the ones that you see where the guy gets out of the car and does a funny dance and sings a song. Some of those cars have been atrocious as well. They're just buying them from the auctions and they're just knocking them out. And unfortunately, this is one of those cars. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the seating out of the car to allow us as much access to the carpets and the seating as possible. We've got to get as much of the dirt left and dog hair left by the animal. We've got to take that out of the carpets and the seating, and then once we've done that, then we can start steam cleaning the seats and the carpets. Right, the seats out. We have started vacuuming, and just removing this part of the centre console has revealed a whole load of dog hair and dry soil and sand, probably brought in by the animal, and it stinks under there. So unless well, if that wasn't removed, you'd never know, would you? It was only because we blew it out with some compressed air, so we know that there was loads of dirt under there. Anyway, it has to be removed. It has to be dealt with, as you can see. Right, we're back with the C1, and this is actually the third day. So we've had this vehicle for 3 days, and the customer is on his way to collect the vehicle. But before he does, I figured it might be a good idea to take some pictures, or some video I should say, of how the car looks now. So you might remember the other day we had all the seats out of the vehicle, and there was a real mess. I mean, the carpets looked absolutely disgusting, absolutely full of dog hair, and the stench was unbelievable. It just stunk of dogs, and as you can see, there is a massive improvement on how those carpets look now. I can tell you, folks, that the odour has all but gone. I certainly can't smell dog anymore, that's for sure. We haven't used any perfumed products at all. Once the vehicle had been deep cleaned, and we sanitised and disinfected the carpets and all the hard surfaces, we allowed the vehicle to completely dry. We had a dehumidifier in it overnight, and that drew out about 7 litres of water. And then once it was dry enough, we ozoned it, further disinfecting the cabin and also the air conditioning system. So there you go. I know that you can't smell what I can smell, but believe me, when this vehicle was delivered, it smelled like a kennel. It was really horrible. And so hopefully the customer's going to be happy with all the work that we've done on this vehicle, and hopefully it's going to be a nicer place to be for the driver, and unfortunately we can't do anything about the damage. And I mean, there's little things like chew marks on the handbrake there. So previous customer, oh sorry, the previous owner of this vehicle has had a dog, and it's kind of ruined the car really. But there you go. We can only remove the odour. We can't remove the damage, I'm afraid. So, but there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. And if you do have a vehicle with an odour problem, then please drop us an email.